Laravel 11, the number function, the number class has got a new function where we can pass through ordinals into readable text. So let's take a look at how that works. So first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and make sure we have Illuminated support number imported here. And I'm going to go ahead and just import the class. And in this case, we're going to have ordinal. And I'm just going to have number 1 in here. And I'm going to assign this to an ordinal variable here. I'm going to go ahead and die-dump on it. If you go ahead and take a look, it will then pass this through as the first. If we went and said number 5 here, it would again go ahead and pass that through as the fifth. So this works super conveniently if you need to deal with ordinals in Laravel. Now, if we take a look at this function in here, it isn't actually so complicated as it may seem like. It uses just PHP, and it doesn't really use a long array list of anything in here. You can also pass through a locale in here, which is any locale that's supported by the number class here. So if you wanted to go ahead and say ENGB, for example, it would go ahead and do it by the British standard, or if you go ahead and said D8K, it would go by Danish standard, and so on. And if you pass through a locale that did not exist in here, we'll see what happens. How does it error out? It just defaults back to English. So in this case, we can just go ahead and get rid of the locale here, but it will work any locale that supports it. Now, on top of that, we also have the opportunity to spell ordinal. So that will go ahead and actually spell this as the fifth. So again, this is a super convenient way if you need to deal with audios in the application. Instead of having to write up some super complicated function or long function, you can just use the Illuminated support number class and call the static function spell ordinal or just ordinal and pass through any random number. Again, spell ordinal, the only other difference it does here is it sets the text in here by using the default rule set in here. So that's the only difference outside of the ordinal function, which is just above here. Now this is all I got for this small Christmas tip here. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.